Yes, my people. So say the second coming of Jesus Christ na the hope of every person wey believe am. Make I put am like this. Any person, e be like woman wey get belle wey wan born. No matter how you hide am, because you no go fit hide pregnancy. You no go fit hide am. No matter how you hide am, one day e go show. And one day too, e go born. Na be the thing. So whether people try to deceive you, no matter how people try to package the thing, talk say they come again. One day, e go show. And na be the thing where they give gallant help to the people of God everywhere. So no matter the matter, no matter what it is, as long as say Baba God go show again, Jesus Christ go show. Now be the hope way people wey believe in Jesus get. And now be the matter what we carry come today. Say if you don't know, you go know. Say no matter you do that thing where we dey talk about the second coming of Jesus Christ, it go happen. And it go happen. Everybody go see am. But the thing wey we dey talk today be say, make e no do you gbas. May no do you like say you hear am, but you no enter inside. So today, we wan see how this thing go help us. And if you go like no more, make you join us. Because last, whether you believe am or not, Jesus Christ he go come again. So if you learn no more, if you want learn more, make you follow me. Make we enter the matter. God bless you.